global pickup truck market is entering one of the most competitive and transformative periods in its history. As we move toward 2027, three giants, Ford, Toyota, and General Motors, GM, are preparing for an all-out battle that will redefine performance, reliability, electrification, and overall value. This is not just another model year update. The 2027 truck war is about technology shifts, engine philosophy changes, and a new generation of buyers who demand more from their trucks than ever before. So who wins? The answer is not as simple as picking one brand. Each automaker is taking a very different approach, and that's exactly what makes this battle so brutal and fascinating. The big shift. What makes 2027 different? Before diving into each brand, it's important to understand what's changing. The truck market is no longer just about horsepower and towing capacity. In 2027, the key battlegrounds are electrification versus traditional engines, reliability versus innovation, software and technology integration, cost and long-term ownership value, global versus regional strategy. Experts agree that 2027 will mark a tipping point. Buyers are now split into three groups. 1. Traditional truck loyalists who want V8 power. 2. Hybrid adopters looking for efficiency. 3. Early EV buyers seeking cutting-edge tech. Each brand is targeting these groups differently, and that's where the competition gets intense. Ford. Power, innovation, and the hybrid advantage. Ford is entering 2027 with one of the most aggressive and diverse truck lineups in the industry. Key strategy. Ford is not betting on just one solution. Instead, it is spreading its strategy across gas engines, including V8 performance options, hybrid systems, fully electric trucks. This multi-path approach is a major advantage. Strengths. 1. Hybrid leadership. Ford's hybrid trucks, especially in the F-150 lineup, have become a strong middle ground between fuel efficiency and performance. Experts believe hybrids will dominate the market before full EV adoption stabilizes. Ford's hybrid systems offer strong torque for towing, better fuel economy than V8s, real-world usability without range anxiety. 2. EV innovation. Ford's electric trucks continue to evolve rapidly. By 2027, improvements in battery technology, charging speed, and range are expected to make Ford's EV trucks more practical for everyday users. 3. Performance heritage. Ford continues to leverage its performance identity. High-output engines, including large displacement V8s, still play a role, especially for enthusiasts and heavy-duty users. Weaknesses. 1. Complexity. Ford's multi-strategy approach can confuse buyers. Too many choices can slow decision-making. 2. Reliability. Concerns. While Ford has improved, some experts still point to long-term durability inconsistencies compared to Toyota. Expert insight. Industry analysts believe Ford's biggest advantage is flexibility. Ford is playing all sides of the market. That's risky, but it also gives them the highest chance of winning across multiple segments. Toyota. Reliability, hybrids, and strategic patience. Toyota is taking a very different approach to the 2027 truck war. Instead of rushing into full electrification, Toyota is focusing heavily on hybrid technology and long-term reliability. Key strategy. Toyota's philosophy is simple. Prioritize durability, expand hybrid powertrains, delay full EV dominance until the technology matures. Strengths. 1. Legendary reliability. Toyota remains the benchmark for long-term durability. For many buyers, especially in global markets, reliability matters more than performance. Toyota trucks are known for long engine life, low maintenance costs, strong resale value. 2. Hybrid expertise. Toyota has decades of hybrid experience. By 2027, their truck hybrids are expected to be more refined, efficient, and durable than competitors. 3. Global dominance. Toyota's trucks are built for global markets, not just North America. This gives them an advantage in durability testing and real-world conditions. Weaknesses. 1. Slower innovation. Toyota's cautious approach can make it appear behind competitors in areas like EV technology and advanced software. 2. Performance gap. Toyota trucks often prioritize reliability over raw power, which can turn away performance-focused buyers. Expert insight. Many experts see Toyota as the safe winner. Toyota doesn't always lead in innovation, but they rarely lose in ownership satisfaction. That's a powerful advantage. GM. Power, scale, and high-stakes risks. General Motors is entering the 2027 truck war with bold ambitions, but also facing serious challenges. Key strategy: GM is focusing on high-performance gasoline engines, rapid EV expansion, advanced technology integration. However, recent concerns about engine reliability and recalls have created pressure. Strengths: 1. Strong engine performance. GM continues to deliver powerful V8 engines, especially in full-size trucks. These engines are known for high towing capacity, strong acceleration, smooth power delivery. 2. EV commitment. GM is heavily investing in electric trucks. By 2027, its EV lineup is expected to expand significantly. 3. Manufacturing scale. GM's ability to produce trucks at scale gives it a pricing and availability advantage. Weaknesses: 1. Reliability. Concerns: recent reports of engine issues and recalls have raised questions about quality control. 2. Brand trust challenges. Compared to Toyota, GM faces more skepticism regarding long-term durability. Expert insight: GM is seen as the most unpredictable player. GM has the potential to dominate, but execution is everything. If reliability issues continue, it could hurt them significantly. The powertrain war: V8 versus hybrid versus electric. The biggest battle in 2027 is not between brands, it's between powertrain philosophies. V8 engines, still preferred for towing and performance, loved by traditional truck buyers. Facing pressure from emissions regulations, Ford and GM continue to invest here, while Toyota is slowly moving away. Hybrid systems, best balance of power and efficiency, growing rapidly in popularity, ideal for daily drivers and work trucks. Toyota leads in experience, but Ford is catching up fast. Electric trucks, instant torque and smooth performance, lower running costs, limited by charging infrastructure and range concerns. Ford and GM are pushing hard, while Toyota remains cautious. Expert insight: most analysts agree hybrids will dominate in the near term. The real winner in 2027 won't be EVs or V8s, it will be hybrids. They solve the most problems for the most buyers. Technology and interior battle. Modern trucks are no longer just work tools, they are mobile tech platforms. Ford, advanced infotainment systems, over-the-air updates, smart towing features. Toyota, simpler, more reliable systems. Focus on usability over complexity. GM, high-end interiors, large screens and premium features. Expert insight: technology is becoming a key differentiator, but it comes with risks. More tech means more potential failures. Brands that balance innovation with reliability will win. Cost of ownership: the hidden battlefield. Many buyers focus on price, but long-term cost matters more. Ford, moderate maintenance costs, strong resale value in certain models. Toyota, at lowest long-term ownership cost, best resale value. GM, competitive pricing, higher depreciation in some segments. Expert insight: Toyota dominates this category. If you plan to keep your truck for 10 years, Toyota is still the safest choice. Global versus American market strategy. Another key difference is how each brand approaches the global market. Ford, strong in North America, expanding globally. Toyota, truly global dominance, designed for diverse environments. GM, focused heavily on North America, select global presence. This affects durability, design priorities, and overall reliability. Who wins the 2027 truck war? The answer depends on what you value most. If you want innovation, Ford wins. Ford offers the most balanced and forward-thinking lineup. Hybrid leadership, strong EV development, performance options. Ford is the best choice for buyers who want flexibility and cutting-edge features. If you want reliability, Toyota wins. Toyota remains unmatched in long-term dependability. Proven durability, low maintenance costs, strong resale value. Toyota is the best choice for buyers who prioritize peace of mind. If you want power, GM wins. GM delivers strong performance and bold designs. Powerful engines, competitive pricing, expanding EV lineup. GM is ideal for buyers who want capability and presence. Final verdict: no single winner, but one smart choice. The 2027 truck war is not about one brand dominating, it's about different philosophies competing for different buyers. However, if we look at the overall balance of innovation, reliability, performance, future readiness, Ford slightly edges out as the most complete package heading into 2027. But that doesn't mean it's the best for everyone. The real conclusion: choose Ford if you want the latest tech and versatility. Choose Toyota if you want long-term reliability and low costs. Choose GM if you want power and bold design. The future beyond 2027. Looking ahead, the competition will only intensify. Key trends to watch: faster EV adoption, more advanced hybrid systems, AI-driven vehicle features, stricter emissions regulations. The brands that adapt quickly while maintaining trust will lead the next era. Bottom line, the 2027 truck war is brutal because it's not just about trucks anymore, it's about the future of mobility. Ford, Toyota, and GM are not just competing against each other. They're competing against changing expectations, new technologies, and a rapidly evolving market. And in this battle, the real winner is the buyer. Because no matter which brand you choose in 2027, you're getting a better, smarter, and more capable truck than ever before.